TEK4's tooling system includes tool-specific flushing and is simple in design, resulting in a reliable, cost-effective and highly accurate system. The nose guides are held in place using a pneumatic chuck and have inbuilt flushing to the machine area. The tabletop can be fitted with either a manual or pneumatic chuck, with through flushing available on the manual chuck. These tool stalls can easily be loaded with nose guides and electrodes at the beginning of a cycle. The auto tool changing system comes as standard on all TEK4 fast hole drill EDM machines. This allows multiple tools to be programmed for one part, enabling a range of hole sizes to be achieved. Additional electrodes can be set up, allowing the machine to run for longer periods without human interaction.